name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will talk about watercolor painting in Adobe Photoshop CC. I will be using Kyle Webster's brushes. I downloaded from Adobe website. If you are Creative Cloud subscriber, all those brushes are free for you. Also, I will be using my sketch I created in Adobe Photoshop CC. You can create your sketch in Adobe Photoshop CC or using Adobe mobile applications such as Adobe Photoshop Sketch or Adobe Capture CC, or you can use your sketch using any traditional method of painting. So everything is up to you. I have two layers. First layer is my white background layer, and the second layer is my sketch layer. I have highlighted my background layer. I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to my paintbrush. Here I have my folder with my favorite Kyle Webster's brushes, my favorite watercolor brushes. I will switch to any brush I like. I will switch color. And guys, today we will be using very bright, very unusual colors for our elephant, because we will create something very happy, very summery. So today we are creating very happy painting. This is my first color I would like to use today. I will increase size for my brush and I will apply a few brush strokes. So guys, don't overthink. Don't think about what color I'm supposed to use, what angle of my brush stroke I'm supposed to use. Guys, everything is up to you. You are creating your own art. So create your art in any way you like. This is my first color, maybe somewhere here, just like this, and here, just like that. Now, I will add another empty layer. I will switch to another unusual bright color for our elephant, like this. Let's see. Yes, very bright yellow color, and I will continue working on my painting. Guys, you can switch your paintbrush as often as you like. So everything is up to you. You can use only one paintbrush, you can use 10, you can use 3, no rules in here. This is my second color, just like that. And guys, by the way, don't try to paint everything. Try to leave few white spots not painted, because it's watercolor painting. I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to another bright color and I will apply few brush strokes here. If this color is too much for me, I will bring down opacity of my layer, just like this. And I will continue working on my painting, maybe around his ear, around his trunk, just like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to another color, darker shade of a blue color, and I will apply few brush strokes under his ear, just like this. And again, guys, if it's too much, bring down opacity of your layer. That's why I'm using different layer for different colors. Just like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will use another bright color. Maybe I will use something aqua color, just like this. And voila, guys, just few brush strokes. Very happy elephant. Beautiful. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will switch my paintbrush to another Kyle Webster watercolor paintbrush. I will switch color to the bright color and I will apply few brush strokes. I will increase size of my brush and I will apply few brush strokes. And again, guys, if it's too much for you, bring down opacity of your layer. Just like this. And here and maybe somewhere here, just few splashes of color, just like this. I love, love, love it. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to another paintbrush, and I will switch my color to bright yellow color, and I will apply few splashes of yellow color. I'm using Wacom tablet, guys. I cannot imagine my life without a Wacom tablet. I'm using Wacom tablet all my life, and I'm extremely happy about it. And I will bring down opacity of this layer. Perfect, perfect. I love it. So, what I will do now, guys, I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to another paintbrush, and I will use darker color, darker shade of blue color, just like this, and I will paint around my elephant eye. And this eye, around eyebrows. If it's too much, again, guys, bring down opacity of your layer. Perfect. Create new layer. Increase size of your brush, or change your brush to any other brush but with bigger size, and continue working on your elephant, just like that. If you made any mistake, undo your steps or delete your layer and try it again. Perfect. Just like that. And I will bring down opacity of my layer. And I will continue applying different layers of different colors. I will switch to another color. I will create a new empty layer as usual, guys. And I will continue working on my painting. I'm happy with my elephant. I will select my background white layer. I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to another paintbrush. I will switch color to bright yellow color. And I will start working on my background. Just like this. Nothing is too complicated, guys. Don't overthink. Just create very beautiful, very happy art. Because we are happy. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it, love it, love it. I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to another color. And I will continue working on my background, just like that. And guys, I don't know if you noticed or not, but I'm not blending any colors. Photoshop blends all colors for me. I'm just applying brush strokes using Kyle Webster's watercolor paint brushes, and Photoshop does all a job for me, and this is amazing. I will bring down opacity more of this layer, and voila, guys. The last step, it's not necessary, but the last step, I will select my sketch layer. I will click on a lock icon, and I will lock my transparent pixels. So when I will paint over my sketch layer right now, I will apply color only to my sketch. I will not paint inside my sketch or outside of my sketch, because all those layers are empty. I will switch to black color using same paintbrush. I will make my sketch more visible. Just edges of my sketch. How amazing is it, guys? Just like this. And voila, guys, We have created very beautiful, very happy watercolor painting in Adobe Photoshop CC. I used Kyle Webster's brushes. I downloaded from Adobe website, and again, I'm repeating myself, but if you are Creative Cloud subscriber, all those brushes are free for you. I used my sketch I created in Adobe Photoshop CC, and I use multiple colors. I use new layer for each color, just because if I would like to apply modification to any of my color, I can apply modifications at any time. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you like my tutorial, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye guys, have a great day.